so brightly, not only in the global stage, but most importantly, in the hearts of millions of Filipinos. As a tribute to your remarkable journey,
Kuya,
Globe would like to present to you this special gift. A small token of our gratitude for the pride, the joy, and the inspiration that you brought to this country. And together with this gift is a heartfelt message, if I may read for the rest of the tour. It says,
What a beautiful moment. Thank you very much, Sir Amo, Sir Carlo, and Miss Yoli. Once again, give it up for the country's tennis pride, Alex Ayala! This gift, by the way, kasi hindi namin nakita, baka curious sila, it was a necklace with 3 distinct charms. One that bears your initial, the second one, a tennis ball made of pearl, dahil nga ang perlas ng silangan, so that wherever you go, you carry a piece of the country with you. And of course, the emblem of Globe, to always remind you that in Globe, you have a support system, you have a family.
pero commercial.
Very grateful for that, ma'am. Very, very grateful. Thank you.
So Alex, what's your message to all of your fans here in Glorieta and to everyone watching via our live stream? Go ahead.
Hello, everybody. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. To everyone who's tuned in, sa lahat na nandito ngayon, maraming salamat sa suporta. Maraming salamat sa pagpupuyat. Maraming salamat sa pagdadasal. I'm doing my best to make you guys proud, and I hope sana subaybayan niyo ako in my next matches and in my journey to come. Maraming salamat.
Yeah!
Everyone, let's give a huge hand to Alex Ayala! Now to everyone who has joined us here in Glorieta and on our live stream via the Globe Facebook page, thank you very much for spending the evening with us. Truly your warmth and your presence are heard and felt by Alex. Don't forget to share your unforgettable experience online together with our official hashtags. Hashtag Globe Home Court, hashtag Let's Go, and hashtag Go Forward Together. Continue supporting our golden girl in every match, on any court, and cheer for her as she conquers the tennis world one strong serve at a time. Thank you also to Globe for making this homecoming event not only possible, but incredibly successful. Once again, this has been Adi de la Cruz. Thank you, Alex Ayala! Alex! Alex! Alright, now as Alex steps aside to prepare for her meet and greet, I would like to remind the qualified participants of our meet and greet about the guidelines. So, meet and greet photo op will be done one by one, and before lining up, you may leave your belongings in your seats. And also, photos will be taken only by the official photographer. So keep your phones in your bags or your pockets. No selfie sticks allowed po. Gifts